guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to do another box that is a little bit different. So it is called the Baabs Beauty Box. This one is a little bit different. So they have different tiers depending on how many products you want in it. The smallest one being 3 items and the biggest one being 10 to 12 items. So it ranges from about $35 to about $75. Now, when I was ordering, their system completely glitched when I picked the largest one. So it charged me for the smallest one. So I was lucky enough to get 10 to 12 items for the price of 3. Now I did email them explaining what happened, and we're completely fine with it. They just let it go. It was their error on their website. So, I mean, yay. So we're going to dive right into this box. And when we open it, it's going to be all nicely tissue papered. And then we're going to get into this stuff. Now, it does look like a lot of small things. I don't see an eyeshadow palette, so that's a bummer too. I was kind of hoping with 10 and 12 items, we'd get a little bit more. But it's okay because, I mean, I paid for 3 items, so a lot of these are just bonus. So we're going to start off with eyelashes. So this is the Mrs. A eyelashes. And I mean, they look huge and are really, really full. And I mean, when I put on lashes, they kind of look like a toddler did them. Just waiting for another shipment to come, and they're gonna have that little half lashes to stick on the end so that I can get used to putting them on before I do big ones like these. I'm not sure honestly if I'd ever wear anything this full. I don't really have anywhere to go that it's that dramatic. So, I mean, I might put this in like a giveaway or see if someone else wants it, or just hang on to it for I don't know what reason. But that's our first item. Let's see. Second item, lash glue, because that makes sense. So, I mean, just standard glue. I mean, it's normal white glue. Sometimes you get the ones that are in black, and it's not the case here. Next, we get a double-ended makeup brush. Ooh. Okay. And the ends come off for some reason. Not really sure why, but I always like brushes. I mean, ooh. You've got your blending end and your packing end. So, I mean, that's always appreciated. Next, looks like a lipstick or lip gloss. And it is in the shade Jelly. Ooh. Okay. The Beauty for Life brand. And it does say 2022 on it. That's kind of giving me like Ofra vibes from the packaging. Ooh, that's a really nice shade. Nice and dark, like a maroony color. So that's another item. Next, we have another lippy. It's called Baabs Babe. This one looks more like this is definitely a gloss. I mean, just a standard. Very sparkly, but I mean, not a lot of color. But it's not going to even show up on the screen for you. So that's that. Next, we have a little hand mirror. I mean, a lot of beauty boxes that give hand mirrors. I've got a ton right now. So there's that. Next, we have like a makeup bag. Again, you don't get a lot of these. I mean, like Glow Addict has them once in a while, and Ipsy, but I'm not sure about Ipsy now because, I mean, they only have the one tier that's the Glam Bag Plus, or Glam Bag. I don't know if they're going to continue doing it now that they're merging, but I mean, it's a decent size. I mean, it's animal print. And I would say I don't like animal print, but I mean, my sister will love it. Next, we're going to have, what is this? A glamour stick. Okay, and it's in, say, GS5. And, okay. I'm gonna say eyeshadow. So it's very, very subtle. It's more like a rose gold color. So we got that too. Next, we're gonna have a lip liner. And this one is in the shade Fudge. So I'm gonna guess brown. And I would be guessing right. Oh. Alright. So, I mean, it went on pretty smooth, but it is like the old school pencil stuff, which doesn't glide on as nice as some of the newer style. So there's that, but I will give it a shot. I don't tend to wear brown a whole lot. I tend to be more black, but I will try it. And last but not least, a duochrome. Now I'm generally always excited to see these. I feel like I just got one from Ice Cream. Like, I think that was last month. January, I believe it was February. And they gave the duochromes as well. And I'm pretty sure I got one exactly like this. So I'm not going to use it because I want to see that I don't already have something very, very similar. So that is our last item in this. Now this one, like I said, I paid $44.99. If you do the same, you're not going to get anywhere close to the amount of products, but you might get bigger products because they might have, like, you know, put lip liners in mine instead of getting 3 big ticket items if you had got the right box for the right price. So keep that in mind when you're ordering. I mean, they have tons on their website of different tiers. I think they had like 6 or 7 different tiers of boxes that you could choose from. So that's always good. So thank you for joining me today when I unbox the Baabs Beauty Box. Always remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get any updates on new videos we're posting. We are posting up one every couple days. And comment, let us know how you're liking our content, and if there is any beauty boxes you would like us to try, I can always try and get my hands on it. Thanks guys, bye!